Hey, it's Leon from the development team. Facebook conversion API integrations with workflows now include lead events as an option, as you can see right here. To take advantage of this, you would need to have a business account, a Facebook account, and a business page, all of which you would need admin access to have them function correctly with the system. You would go to the Events Manager in the Business Suite, and from there, you would connect a data source. Go to CRM Connect, use the API key in your account, and you create a pixel. And you'd need the pixel ID, at which point you would also generate an access token. The option for that will appear when everything is set up correctly in your Facebook account. Once you're in a workflow, which I'm assuming that you've already created one for generating leads with a Facebook form that puts them into a particular pipeline stage, which would trigger this workflow, and then you would add a conversion API event. Add your access token, pixel ID, and stage name. So allow you to better utilize achieving quality lead management with Facebook conversion APIs and workflows. Look up this topic in the help library for more information and stay tuned for more updates.